on to our next set of items to be made. We have the necklaces, popularly known as chokers. We don't have much of time, so we'll actually give you an idea of what we already made, but we take you through its last process of just making sure that it's done as a complete item. So this is actually the circular part that goes all through your neck, and then we have the pendant part. The pendant part we have here. So what we have here, this is a turquoise stone. It's quite expensive, and then because of oxidation, that's why we have these parts. But we're all going to get it all out. So what we'll do, we'll go to the machine and polish this, and then assemble it back to the necklace. So this pendant is actually made from brass. This is a brass sheet, brass plates that is cut into these shapes. There's a square, the triangle, there's a rectangle, and there's a square, the rectangle, and the square, and then we have this turquoise, it's rectangular. We did a rectangular because we wanted to go as well as this profile of rectangular kind of thing. So this is the necklace part. It's actually a brass rod, gauge 9. So once you're done, it will be joined here, and then we'll have something like this as a necklace. So let me take you through the process of polishing it to make it shine as brand new, the necklace part.
inachoma mzee.
Unaweka moto but
watu wanataka kujua moja tena.
Hiyo lazima bana, hiyo ni public. Public look.
Mchana tu.
Wanasemanga teka sijui mtu akipatikana kuna sheria. Hai. Nani ufuata? So what you're just doing is just trimming this to be the exact size of that gauge of that wire that is supposed to fit it in, and then fold it circular, that it doesn't harm anybody's neck. And then once it's at this point, you assemble it to this, and then you clip it in, and you can close your work. But so it's the necklace done, perfectly done now. So we actually have a necklace. Then you have to wait for the sort of things that you have met. Then you wait for this also. But we take out the grass so that we be left with this from polishing and all that staining process. So the grass is out, so now we want to have it again itself. Go. So we're actually done. For more of this and more products for all your jewelry fantasies, kindly reach us on WhatsApp through +254 796 430610. That is 254 796 430610. And if you want to stop by our workshop, we are located at Kibera, off Kibera Drive at Kibera Market. That is stall number 410 in Kenya. That is Nairobi.